Where to find the graphic equalizer feature, where to find Dolby Atmos, add the quick toggle, and one more feature that's found on the MP3 player app that's pre-installed on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro phone. First, I'll show you how to add the quick toggle for Dolby Atmos. Use the quick access here and just go down a little bit like this until you see this edit option here. Tap on it one time and you're gonna look down here, all these with the blue plus, which means that they're not in your quick access yet. So you'll find Dolby Atmos here, and this will allow you to have it as a fast access. Press the check mark here so that it can now be available in the quick access whenever you need to use it. Now that it's there, a single tap will enable it or disable it, and it tells you right here. If you long press it now, it'll take you here into the sound effects area. When you're in the sound effects area here, you can switch between that or the Xiaomi sound. Xiaomi sound works better when you have a plugged in device into your USB here or Bluetooth settings. Now you also have the graphic equalizer. So either Dolby or Xiaomi sound gives you this here. And instead of installing a third-party app, these actually work just about great. Custom, rock, jazz, and depending on the music will give you a different audio quality outcome, okay? Now, this is all great, fine, and dandy and all that stuff here. However, there is one thing I want to show you now. If you go to this app here, which is actually a Mi Music Player app that comes pre-installed on your Redmi Note 15 Pro phone. By the way, this is the 15 Pro if I haven't mentioned that yet here. You can go into the app itself, just tap on it one time here, and you'll get your songs, all that stuff here. So if you're using this for offline music, this is definitely the best way to go for the most part. Tap right here and you'll see settings. And in the settings area here, you'll go down and you'll actually see an equalizer feature right here. So if you're not too comfortable with the Dolby Atmos here and you just want something directly with the MP3 player app, turn this on and you can actually use these. And I did a separate video on this here where you can actually hear the difference in the audio quality. And my friends, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub. Thanks for watching.